Hey there, I'm Skeeter, and I use ChatGPT every single day in real businesses, not demos, not theory. And here's what I see all the time: smart people feeling stuck. Sound familiar? You've heard how powerful ChatGPT is, but when you open it up, the answers feel generic, awkward, or nothing like what you expected. Here's the thing: ChatGPT isn't broken. You just haven't been shown how to use it the right way yet. That's why I'm hosting a free, live 60-minute ChatGPT training built for beginners, business owners, and everyday folks who want clarity without feeling overwhelmed. In this live Zoom, you'll finally see how ChatGPT actually works in plain English, what to click, what to ignore, and how to stop getting robotic responses. Simple, real-world ways to use it for ideas, emails, planning, and everyday tasks. Nothing technical, nothing intimidating. Just practical, usable stuff. And you're not just getting the live session, you'll also get full access to the replay so you can pause, rewind, and follow along anytime. Plus, you'll be invited into the AI Success Hub, a private community where you can ask follow-up questions, see real examples, and keep learning as tools continue to evolve. Think about it. Instead of guessing, you finally know what you're doing. And if you like this session, if it clicks, just imagine what we can do in 3 full days together. Start with the free training, get comfortable, get confident, then decide what's next. So, what could change once ChatGPT finally makes sense? See you soon.